welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be doing a budget with me for my second paycheck of December. Now we might as well just hop on into it. So I think we get paid on the 29th, the 29th, wow, the 23rd of this month. And I'm not really sure exactly how much I'll be getting paid, so we're just going to budget for $980 because I'm not 100% too sure. And this is just a little paycheck breakdown that I made myself because I just felt it's easier to like scroll up and scroll down to see what I did last week and what I'll be doing, or last paycheck and what I'll be doing this paycheck. So my car note will be getting $237. Hope you can see. So let's start over. So $237. My car insurance, I think we'll be getting $50 because I think I paid $200 not last week, but the week before. Yep. So I just got to do $50. Vive is getting its normal 106.5. Wayfair, I think I paid last paycheck, so nothing. Discover will be getting nothing. Amazon will be getting 53 because my total ended up being $120 something, I think, and only budgeted for 75 last paycheck, so I have to add another 53. And if you guys notice, like, even though it says 0 over here, I did kind of do a little bit of math so I know how much I will be paying and what else needs to be paid. So cell phone bill will be getting nothing, cable will be getting 50, actually, yeah, and internet will be getting nothing. So let's do a little bit of math here. So we have 237 plus 50. Wow, 237 plus 50 plus 106. So our total is 496. So now we have 980 minus 4. We have 484 left to use for our sinking funds and our cash envelopes. So I also figured at the end of this video I'll tell you guys which 2020 saving challenges I'm doing. I decided that I'm going to try to tackle the 100 envelope challenge and some more saving challenges because all of these savings challenges will be going towards my debt. So hopefully by the end of 2022 your girl will be debt free from everything. Car note, my credit cards, my Vive credit card. I'm trying to be debt free, like totally, and then I'll start focusing on my student loan. So I think I'll do the 100 envelope challenge again for my student loans. But when we get there, we'll get there. So gas will be getting 50, and spending will be getting 35 for 85. So now we have $399 left. And okay, let's see. So medical will be getting 5. Shoes will be getting, actually emergency will get its normal 25 because that's what I have to budget for. Let's see. Savings will be getting 30. Travel will get 30. Subscriptions will get 5. I don't know if I want to continue to do 35 for school because I'm not doing my swim lessons for right now. We'll just do 10 because some of these aren't really important anymore. Like Christmas has came, or it's coming, so I'm not buying any more Christmas gifts, so I don't really need to budget for that heavily. So I think I'll do 5 for that, 20 for car. While I'm doing all that, let me see which envelopes I'll be doing for my 100. So I think I'll do 14 and 15. So 14, I think, is 28. Yeah, so 28 and 30. So that's 58. Okay, so I need 58 for my one. Okay, so let's do some math. So $3.99 minus 58 minus 25 minus 10 minus 30 minus 5, 30, 20, 5, and 5. Oops. Okay, but I still have over $200. So shoes, next year, this envelope is going to be gone. I'm not going to worry about it anymore because I haven't bought no shoes in a very, very long time. And if I do, I'll just use the credit card and probably take it from my savings account or something like that. So 2022 shoes will no longer be there. Home, we could say we'll get 10. Gaming is another envelope I'm getting rid of in 2022 because I haven't had to use it for anything. So it's kind of just wasting money at this point to keep saving for it. Beauty, we'll get 15. Okay, let's see how much we got left. So gaming, we'll just give it $2 because I'm not worried about it. So that means extra will be getting $182 because that's what's left. So let's make sure my math is correct. Let me add all these up. So let's just say total is 58. Because I'm not tracking how much is in my envelopes. I'm just putting it in there. So it says we'll be stuffing $341 in there. So let's just make sure all my math adds up to 980. So 484 plus, no, not 484, 496 plus 85 plus 341 plus 58. So yeah, so everything adds up to 980, which is amazing. But I'm thinking I want to take some money from extra and put it towards travel because I do have some trips coming up. So that's what I think I'll do. So I'm gonna make travel 55. So 182 minus, no. So I had 30 and I'm doing 55. So I only added 25 minus, so then extra will be 157. So in total, we will be stuffing 341, 85, and 58. So we'll be stuffing $484 in our next. Oh, I'm stuffing the same amount. But if I get a little bit of extra money for my paycheck, maybe an extra 10 or something like that, I will add that to my extra envelope. So we'll see what happens. This is just what I'm budgeting for, but I never know exactly how much I'm getting paid until, I actually get paid. So let's go to my cash envelopes and switch all this. Okay, so gas was getting 50. Spending is 35. Medical is 5. Shoes is 2. I know gaming was 2. School was 10. This is 58. Emergency is 25. 157. Savings is 30. Travel was 55. And I never remember the rest. It's just some in my head that I remember. So Christmas is 5, cars 20, home is 10. Christmas is 5, cars 10. Was car 10? You guys, oh, cars 20. I have the memory of a goldfish. Like, it is crazy. Subs is getting 5. And I think that's it. So 20, 10, 5. Let's make sure. So cars getting 20. 5. Oh, beauty. Ugh. I think beauty was getting 15. Beauty. Yep, beauty's getting 15. Okay. So let's go back and do our cash breakdowns. So I just do number 14, which equals 28, which that equals a 20 and a 5 and 3 ones, and then 15, which equals 30, which equals a 20 and a 10. So I know I have 2 20s, 1 5 or 1 10, 1 5, and 3 ones. That's kind of how I do my saving challenges, so I know I'm putting the right amount into each envelope. So 100 is 1. We have 1, 2 50s. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, because it is kind of dark. So let's see, 100 is, wow, 100 is 1, 50 is 1 2, 20 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 10s is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as well. 5s is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and we have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So adding them up will be 9. 5 times 13 is 65. 70. 140, I think. 100 and 100. So we're just gonna add that up to make sure it equals 44, and then we're good. Yep, so it equals 484. So that's how I do my budget with me, you guys. And I don't know. I think it's so much easier for me to do it that way because I am still worried about my debt and trying to get that fully paid off. But I know eventually that my 100 envelope might just end up being like one envelope every 2 weeks. Like at one point I was doing 4, then I dropped down to 3. But I know once the bigger numbers come up where they equal like $160, or my last envelope for $200, I'm only going to be able to do one envelope for the 2 weeks. So for 2022, which will be my golden, I want to say my golden year. Like 2022 is all about saving, and plus when my birthday comes around, it's going to be 22, so it's just going to be full of 2s. And I think this year is going to be my year. I don't know if I'm going to find me a better job, if I'm going to move, or what's going to happen, but this year is my year. I'm claiming it. I'm putting it into existence. This year is all about me. I'm worried about myself and me only. Sounds kind of harsh, but it's for me. It's clearly for me. But for 2022, my saving challenges, I decided I'm going to do the $1 savings. I was going to do the 5, but then I was like, 5 might be too much because I'm still trying to add extra money into my extra envelope. So I'm just going to do the $1 savings. I'm going to do the alphabet savings challenge. So if I haven't bought them yet, so I just put a little picture of the one that I plan on buying on the screen. So I'm going to also do that one, which is every letter of the alphabet, you just put that number, you save it. So for letter A, it's $1 because it's the beginning of the alphabet. But I'm still trying to decide on if I should double it because it's not that much money. I'm trying to do low income savings challenges so I won't be stressing myself out too much. I'm also doing the self-care challenge from I think her name is a Pinky Cloth Life or a Pink Cloth Life. I'm not too sure her name, but I will put that on the screen, and I'm going to do her self-care challenge in there. I will also be doing the name challenge. It was another channel I seen on YouTube doing it where you just stuff, kind of like the alphabet challenge where each letter is a different amount. So my name is Jasmine, as you guys know, but I'm going to do my full name. I'm still trying to figure out how to make the template and all that good stuff. But so like the letter J would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K will be $11. So for my first letter J, I will stuff $11. So I'll just be stuffing my name basically, so that can help me add some more money to my savings challenges. What other savings challenges I'm doing? I'm doing quite a bit. So I'm doing the 100 envelope. I'm doing the $1 savings, the self-care. Oh, I'm also doing the roll the dice challenge. So I went and bought me some dice. So I plan on doing that one as well. I think I might double that one, but I'm not too sure because I think you only save maybe like 300 or 500, but I'm trying to stuff as much money as I can. So if I have to double it to get maybe 1,000 or so, I will do that. The emergency one is also a savings challenge from Budget with Amanda. I am also doing one other one. Okay, I figured it out, you guys. I'll also be doing a puzzle challenge, which everything will all be down in the description box below, and I will leave a picture of all the challenges that I'm doing because, as I said, I haven't bought them yet, but at least you'll know where I got them from. So if you guys want to purchase it as well and do it along with me. But the puzzle challenge is just a puzzle, and you color in each puzzle piece, and each puzzle piece has a different amount. So one might be 10, one might be 5, I think one might be 25. So I think with all these challenges, I might double some portions of the challenge for a little bit of extra money, and then if it's like I'm doing, I'll be like, oh shoot, this is too much, I ain't got enough money for nothing, then I'll go back and just only do like what it says, like maybe $1 or whatever. But yeah, you guys, I hope if these challenges interest you, you might want to do it along with me, because I think I'll do my own separate video for those savings challenges. But like my 100 envelope challenge will always be in my cash stuffing videos. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys turn your post notification bells on so you could be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your 2022. I hope it'll be a better year than 2020 and 2021 was. I hope you guys manifest your goals and your dreams, and I hope they all come true for you. There's nothing in this world that you can't do, and I hope you keep that mindset, and whatever you want, just speak it into existence. Everything happens over time, but you just never know. Somebody might bless you with the love of the world, and that is what you need at that moment. And this is going off track, but if you have to let some people go in your life to get that life that you want, then maybe that's what you have to do. But like I said, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.